There are only two types of people in this world: winners and losers. Winners don't make excuses. They play the game no matter how tough the opposition is. I once heard a quote from Vincent van Gogh that struck a chord with me. He said, "I have dedicated my life to my art, and I have lost my mind in the process. When I really thought about it, it felt so familiar. I've poured every ounce of myself into this craft. My energy, my focus, my life, all to perfect what I do. And yes, in the process, I've lost my mind too. But here's the thing, I've lost my mind in a way that most people wouldn't understand. To regular society, the ones who wake up at 9 a.m., clock out at 5 p.m., and live for the weekends. It might look like I've gone off the deep end. They'd say, that person's insane. But from my perspective, I've found my purpose. I've worked through exhaustion, days blending into weeks. Whether it's 13 days straight, 14 days, whatever it is, it doesn't matter, because tiredness is just in the mind. Tell yourself you're tired, and you will be. But I refuse to give in to that. I don't get tired. I stay focused, emotionless, calm, ready for anything. If you want to be great, if you want to be a badass in your field, you need to accept something. You'll be misunderstood. Obsession and drive look strange to those who don't have the same fire. That's what greatness demands. It's not part-time. It's not 50% effort. It's every second of your life. People will talk about balance. And yes, balance, fine for most people. But if you're chasing something extraordinary, something so far out of reach, balance might not be in the cards. When you're pushing boundaries, people won't like it. They won't get it. They'll question you. When they see you in the gym at 1 a.m., after working 13 or 14 grueling hours, they'll ask, "What's wrong with you?" They'll call you crazy. But here's the truth. They won't understand what's wrong with you until you succeed. And when that moment comes, suddenly you're not crazy anymore. You're a genius. So, if you want to bring anything into your life, imagine it's already there. Pour your mind, your heart, your entire soul into that vision. Let the world misunderstand you. Because when you finally arrive, they'll understand everything.